this, show you how to change this. I guess the official name is Inpane integration switch. This one's been, it's acting goofy. I don't know if it's ever going to fail or what's going on with it, but I decided because the newer model has got the larger temperature display, so I thought I'd go ahead and replace it. I figured I'd show you real quick how to do this, because supposedly it's really easy. Now supposedly you just pry this till it pops. Yep. Okay. Well, that popped. Now what? Dude, I don't like pulling on things. What is it doing? Let's see, there must be more. Oh, come out of there, please. Come out of there. Well, supposedly it pops out. Oh, I don't like pulling on plastic things. Why is that not wanting to come out of there like that? Pop. Well, if that pops, then this other's got to pop. Hang on. Okay, after watching a video and crossing my fingers, I got this out. What it is, if you look, mind the camera, yeah. See, these bottom clips are just regular clips, and they can, once you put enough pressure on it, they'll pull out. These top clips, you can see there's a little indent there, and they really hang on inside these little holes. So what you have to do, the way I did it, is use one of these tools, and you have to, while this is on, and you pull it out, what you have to do is get that tool up underneath there and pry this out until it'll pop out. Because yeah, if you just pull on this, it's going to break it. So you don't want to do that. And you can see the little indent there that locks it. Well, I wish they just had these kind of clips here, because these are a lot easier to overcome the clamping force. So that up in there is what holds this on. So once you get this off, it's really easy from everything. I don't know, I'm doing this right now as we're doing, so I have no idea. I'm learning right along with you. Anyhow, there's two Phillips head screws that hold this on. Put that in my cup holder. Okay, you take these off. And apparently once these screws are removed, this unit pops out. So let's see just how easy this unit pops out. Oh, something's coming. I think from what I've seen in the video, this has clips in it too. So it's going to take a little force to get it out. Even though you got the screws out, there's still stuff holding it in there. Man, that's really in there too. I figure well, it's wanting to come out. I think it has to come straight out. So, little fingers in there. I can feel it wants to come out. Oh, I'm just having all kinds of what a wonderful day. Use this pry tool and see if I can make this come out even. There was a reason I thought about doing this video, because I thought it can't be that easy, and apparently it's not. So I can tell it wants to come out, but it's not. I can say there's more clips in there holding this in. Oh, what can I do here? Somehow I gotta fiddle this out of there. Use my knife here. See if that'll pry it out. No. Oh, come out of there. Gosh, you can see that it wants to come out, but it's... what is holding it in there? Jeez, okay, it came out. Okay, it's being held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. No wonder it was hard to get out. Good Lord have mercy. Anyhow, you have to manhandle it to get it out of there. There's only one plug, so that's easy enough. I don't know what that round thing is. Oh, it must have something to do with the heater control. So anyhow, that came out. Whew. Hope. See, there was a reason I thought I'm gonna do this video, because there's got to be more to it than what they're showing, all this easy peasy stuff. And the old part is AL11A, and this is AL11D. So I don't know what the differences are. Well, actually, the difference is this is supposed to have the larger outside temperature display. Okay, so that fits in there. Now, before I permanently before I put it back in, I want to turn this on and make sure that everything's working. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, look at that. I like that. It's a lot bigger. Nice. Okay, so it is working. That is nice. I like that bigger display. So anyhow, it's just the reverse. So it actually is that easy. It's just you really have to put some force to get this out, which is a good thing, because you don't want it flopping out every time you roll over a bump. There we go. Let's get these clips put back in. Everything's back in. Let's put the screws back in. So it is easy. There's another thing, these kind of screws, don't over tighten. You don't have to be Superman with them, unless you want to break stuff. Just put them in, snug them up, and that's it. Just snug, just to hold it in place. And then this piece goes back in. Yeah, these clips are really, which, like I said, it's a good thing, because that way it's not going to rattle when you're going down the road. anyhow, that's it. That's the new display. Everything looks cool. Let me start the car. Let me see what it. Yeah, it turns it off. It's on. I like the temperature display. Oops. I'm sorry, Bluetooth's on. Yeah, that all works. Dual works. Yeah, everything's working. Well, there you go. There's how to do it. Appreciate you watching. Yeah, like I say, when you first try this out, it's really easy, but these upper clips, you really had to hurt my fingers to get that in there. And you really want to use something like one of these pry tools, because when you get in here, you don't want to damage the squishy stuff. So anyhow, that's it. That's it in a nutshell. Appreciate you all watching. God bless and take care. See you later.